Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove a Facebook app from your Facebook page. This is a sample Facebook page. For this example I will be removing this app from my page. So we're gonna click on settings. Here in the left menu we click on templates and tabs. And on this page we have a list of apps installed on our page. So we're gonna scroll down to the app we want to remove. It's this one in my case. We click settings and we turn it off. And lastly, we just have to click save. And that's it. Now when we go to our page, the app is no longer there. In the left menu right now there is no app under home button. That's it. Please like this video and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you.